that's the end of that clip. That was fun.
There's 200.
Oh,
There's $10.
Take a tire. Ready? Jeffrey, I need more ammo. We're recording. Take a tire.
Yeah.
It's gonna sound like a fucking...
We're recording trespassers up
tire
there.
yet. Good thing you didn't go.
Here's what we do to trespassers.
Dude, that's already... Hit the tire.
tire!
Tire.
Grass, you more the grass.
Hit the tire!
There it goes. That was a good time.
That was the only good time.
That was probably the good one.
I bought that one new. Done.
Can you move over?
He's reloading.